Welcome to ARC Nutrition. Today we will be learning how to make a strawberry and banana smoothie. Hi, my name is Kimberly Lopez, Assistant Site Coordinator. ARC Safety Agreements. Remember to follow the kitchen safety guidelines. Always ask an adult for permission to use the kitchen. Pay attention to the instructions given by an adult. Gather all necessary materials and ensure that you're working in a clean and safe environment. Make sure you clean after yourself. Wash your hands for 20 seconds. Strawberry and banana smoothies ingredients. 1 cup of strawberries, 1 banana, 1 cup of ice, 1 cup of milk of choice, and a blender. Make sure you wash your hands with soap for 20 seconds. Let's start. First, we're going to wash 1 cup of strawberries thoroughly, one by one. When washing your strawberries, make sure you remove the stem from the strawberry before adding it to the cup and blender. After each strawberry is being washed, add the cup of strawberries to the blender. Peel 1 whole banana, cut it in half, and add it to the blender. And a cup of milk of choice. Add 1 cup of milk into the blender. You will need a cup of ice. Pour 1 cup of ice into the blender. Put the lid on the blender and blend on a high speed. If your smoothie seems to be thick, add a bit of extra milk. If it seems to be thin, you can add an extra strawberry or banana. Pour it into a glass or regular cup. And there you have it. Enjoy your healthy smoothie. Here are some fruit facts. 10 benefits of strawberries. Number 1, packed with antioxidants. Number 2, prevent colds and flu. Number 3, great for the heart. Number 4, helps you lose weight. Number 5, excellent for your eyes. Number 6, reduce wrinkles. Number 7, reduce inflammation. Number 8, lowers your blood pressure. Number 9, improves hair health. And number 10, lower cholesterol. 8 amazing benefits of banana. 1, high in fiber. 2, easy to digest. 3, good for your heart. 4, full of nutrition. 5, regulates your blood pressure. 6, good for growing bones and improvement eyesight. 7, prevents anemia. 8, increase brain power. Did you know bananas grow in over 150 countries? Costa Rica, Colombia, Ecuador, Honduras, Panama, and Guatemala are countries in Latin America and South America that grow and export the majority of the banana that we eat. And this has been one of the healthy lifestyle. Thank you for joining us with ARC.